Wool roll bread stuffed with dates and almond powder. I am delighted you decided to drop by on my channel. I am looking forward to see my viewers' quick silver smile as these soft squishy breads are smiling, just like infant. It will just take 2 extra seconds to press that like and subscribe button, please. Let's dig deeper into today's recipe. The ingredients are all-purpose flour, 300 gram, sugar, 20 gram, salt, 1 teaspoon, instant yeast, 1 teaspoon, egg, 1, cream, 90 gram, condensed milk, 20 gram, lukewarm milk, 70 ml. Now we have to make a soft and supple dough. Now there are different types of flour, so I suggest you to add milk bit by bit. Do not add in one go. The dough is slightly sticky. In between you can sprinkle some flour. So soft. For filling I have taken 7 dates, about 50 gram, and this is also 50 grams of almond meal or almond powder. You can chop them roughly, lengthwise or into squares, anyway. The dough has increased. When I saw wool roll bread, my eyes got glued on this beauty and I was on complete roll on to make this despite my kids having final exams. Now cover these beauties and let them rest until they double in size. This bouncy bread is baked and here you see a big warm smile flashes over your face. My God, I could not take off my eyes and I sensed even my daughter couldn't wait to savor it. Seriously, everyone loved it. Waiting for your candid responses. Have a good day. Bye.